I met this nice gentleman named Tripp who was generous enough to give me a tour of the Pershing 9X. This glorious yacht is a 92-foot yacht with 4 cabins, a maximum of 20 people on board, and there's even room for 3 crew members. He said that this is built with a lot of carbon fiber and leather, so that way it can be light because it's built for speed. And the master suite's really impressive. It has his and her bathrooms and a shower in the middle that connects them. The crew quarters are really nice too. And it sleeps 3. It is such a beautiful yacht. And look at this extended sun deck on the bow. Well, that's the Pershing 9X. Hope you enjoyed the tour of this lovely yacht.